Sharply criticized for badly botching the Jussie Smollett case, but supporters of State's Attorney Kim Foxx praised her this morning for policy changes that she has made. Political editor Mike Flannery is here to explain about all of this. She could use some cheerleaders right now.
She could, and she's got some, Sylvia. There have been, of course, complaints about State's Attorney Foxx that go beyond the Jussie Smollett case, that her office is not prosecuting some shoplifting cases, for example, and then in concert with Cook County Circuit Court judges, has become more lenient in granting pretrial release even to people charged with very serious crimes. Defenders of State's Attorney Foxx and the courts assert that only a small percentage of those who are being released go on to commit violent crimes. Though really, in fact, nobody knows who's responsible for 91% of the 1,300 shootings and killings so far this year here. Barely 9% have been solved. It's one of the worst records in the country. By contrast, New York solves more than 60%, and LA, too, does better.
New York and LA have made investments in the poorest communities to make a shift. New York and also LA has diversion. New York and LA has moved to community policing. So if we want to use New York and LA as an example, then let's use their policy as an example.
All of this is going to be the subject of a red-hot and very important debate ahead of the Democratic primary for state's attorney next March. There are other candidates starting to surface, Sylvia, as potential challengers to Kim Foxx, trying to put committees together. We'll see how far it gets.
Yes, that's not that far away, and with all the press that has been against her lately, I'm sure she's happy to see this too.
Yes, and I think we're going to be seeing more from supporters. I think that they will be speaking up.
It is going to be an interesting election, that's
Yeah,
for sure. Thanks
absolutely.
so much, Mike. Much more to come on